back, everybody. We are here in the West Virginia trails, the Hatfield McCoy trails in West Virginia. Yes, sir. I'm on the KTM 152 stroke, and we're hopping onto the trailhead over here. I believe we're starting at the Devil Antsy trailhead, if I'm not mistaken. And just gonna be going on a long ride today. I think they said we're gonna be making our way over to some cool little historic town, so that should be sick to check out. This thing has fouled a plug yesterday, and it just fouled a plug when I was warming it up. So I don't know. Hopefully this thing hangs in there. Starting off with a big old climb up this mountain, hitting these switchbacks. Holy shit. Holy shit. He is almost fell off the mountain. Oh my god.
Come out the back here. Come out the back.
I'm out the back here.
We got you.
Right there. It won't go.
We got you.
You got a winch on this thing or what?
Honey, let me grab this.
I got it. Yeah, look, you guys get out. You get
Holy.
Get your seatbelt on. You're alright.
You're good. You're not going anywhere.
Yeah, you're good. You got a winch on the front?
Yeah. Winch on the back.
Just get out, honey.
I'm trying.
Yeah. You can take your time. We got you.
Whew. Gosh. Yeah. I didn't get it when I was following, but
Well, we got buddies that just went up the hill.
You got a winch?
You got a strap?
No.
We'll get it. Otherwise, you just drop it.
holy cow. That was what? And then you were like, "Oh my god, you fell off your bike."
I threw the bike down. I just
Yeah.
let it go down. And he was like, "Oh shit."
Yeah. I don't know what went wrong there.
It got too wide and he was trying to gun it up through here.
Oh yeah.
It just started steering that way.
Why don't you guys ride down there and tell those guys to come up here with their winch? Find a tree or something.
That's just it. There ain't no tree. You're all right.
Yeah. And then that tree right in front of it too. There you go.
I can drive it out of here.
You might be able to get it out that way.
Jump in it and drive it.
Oh my gosh. There you go. Woo! Oh. Oh. And back moving we go. So today is Friday, but we started our trip Thursday, yesterday, and left at 6 in the morning, got to Bluewell or Bluefield. I think it's like right on the West Virginia line. And rode there. That's about a halfway point to where we are now, which is Gilbert. So we rode there, packed up, and made the rest of the drive to where we're staying here. And we're here till Sunday. So first real day kinda of the trip. And that was an interesting way to start off the ride. I didn't have the GoPro rolling when he went off. I think he just kind of was goosing it a little bit too much, trying to keep up with his buddies. And woo! And got a little out of control. I don't know how exactly that looked on GoPro, but that was sketchy. His wife, or whoever that was in the passenger seat, which was hanging off the side of the cliff. And we had to pull her out of there. That would have been scary. I would have been shitting my pants. No doubt about it. Gotta be real careful around these corners today. It's super crowded out here. I guess it's just I think it's just more of a more popular trailhead than we were at yesterday. A lot of side-by-sides. Woo. We got Tyler over there on his Cowie. These trails are honestly really well kept for how much they're ridden and how you'd think they'd be beaten down, worn down, and not too great, but they keep these things up really well. Woo! Don't want to fall down there. It is dusty over here. Ooh, this is a rocky hill. Woo. Feels so nice out too. It's probably about 65 degrees. Literally the perfect weather. Couldn't ask for better weather. We almost hit that side by side. Oh yeah, take a look at that. Woo! On the side of a mountain right now, a pretty cool view. It's crazy how it goes from just being like dry and dusty to a little bit of wet and muddy. Just like that. These are some fun trails today though. Whoa, got a little kicked out my front wheel. I think my gloves are about done. I've had these gloves for like 5 years. So we just took a green for probably about, I don't know, maybe 3 to 5 miles now. We're getting out on the road. We're gonna try to find somewhere to buy some extra spark plugs for this piece just in case. looks like we're getting back on a trail for a bit. Woo, got muddy. Oh, this is a cool little trail right here. Oh yeah, look. Something's burning. You see that smoke? Is that burning? What is that?
It's cold. This mountain's burning inside.
Oh. So apparently that's the coal over there burning in the mountain. That's pretty cool. But yeah, we're going into a town called Matewan to get some lunch here. Woo, this is a steep hill. So I'm going to end this one off here, guys. Thanks for watching. We're going to have a lot more footage coming from the trip, so be sure to stay tuned and subscribe, and leave a like if you enjoyed.